Hello and welcome back to Bon Voyage Cruise Travel. Today I'm giving you an inside look at the main dining room on Celebrity Silhouette, from delicious food and thoughtful service to the best tips for securing the perfect table. Hi, I'm Bonnie, and after sailing on over 50 cruises, I know firsthand how much your dining experience can shape your entire cruise. So let's take a look at what makes the meals, views, and service on this particular ship, the Celebrity Silhouette, truly a standout. Let's get started. None of the tables are set up with numbers, so he's getting a chart to check it out. There's no one even looking at their table except for me, but I want to see what we have. So I'm thinking 337 is around here somewhere. I felt very fortunate because we were given a window table from the very start of our cruise. So there was no negotiation that I needed to do. It was just excellent service right from the start. I'm pretty happy about my table this time. I think they finally are listening. And I'm so glad because each night it gave us something new to see: the Istanbul skyline, the islands near Athens, and even Santorini at dusk. So if you're looking for a quieter atmosphere, ask for a table by the windows. The center tables can get a bit noisy. I am so excited about my view. I am looking at the beautiful islands or something out there in the seas, leaving from Greece. This is like a dream. It's done in red and gold here. So if you're on traditional dining, stop by the main dining room before dinner service begins on day one. That's the time to check your table assignment and request a change if needed. Know what you want, whether it's a specific waiter, table number, or just a quiet section, and that could happen over a few days' time. The hostess team has the seating map and they can do their best to try to make it work for you. They added a little bit of a drape to close out the sun. There we go. My evening meal here. This, cocktails, and then wine list. French onions. This is the mushroom soup. Spaghetti bolognese for eel. Very ice cream. Chocolate trifle. So I think there's like a, I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it looks yummy. It looks refreshing. The menu was a real highlight, especially the chef's regional specials inspired by Greece, Turkey, and the Mediterranean. It felt thoughtful and local and not just generic cruise food.
Tell me how much?
That's fine. That's perfect. So one evening, the chef even came out to chat with the guests, and that's the kind of personal touch that I really do appreciate. Roasted trout. And instead of just butter, they brought out 3 different spreads each night. A red pepper, an avocado, a garlic, something like that. And little things like that made dining feel elevated but still approachable. Chickpeas, tomato soup with spinach. There is a shrimp cocktail. This is a Greek chef's special, lamb stew. It's a roasted chicken, lemon pepper. I thought I got something different other than salmon this time. So the peach ice cream is no sugar, but it tastes really good. Celebrity's dessert options were consistently very good, but I was especially impressed by their sugar-free ice cream. View from my other side, and this is no one's here yet. It's kind of early. It opens at 5:30, so this is where we are tonight. But over there in the center, it's a lot noisier. So I'm really happy with this table here I have. It's number 337. We're in Santorini right now. Now we are doing a chef's dish of the day. Yesterday's it was a lamb kebab, and today it's salmon turkey. So here we have some starters. Down here we have some type of I think it's some type of fish, duck. Our assistant waiter was a lovely woman from Africa, and she not only was attentive, but she remembered us at breakfast in the buffet. So the staff overall was very warm, consistent, and really accommodating. This is very nice. So if you're new to Celebrity or just like to plan ahead, don't overlook the power of requesting your preferred dining setup. It can make a world of difference in how relaxed and enjoyable your evenings feel. Yummy salad. This is the special, the salmon, teriyaki salmon, grilled salmon. I had this the other night, but I liked it, so they offer this nightly. We have this for dessert, and the cat classic favorites, and this sorbet. Their ice cream is really good here, and it changes on a daily basis. I've really enjoyed their sorbet. Creme brulee. Chocolate, bye-bye. And little evening quotes here. We're cruising along somewhere. I'm not even sure. We're on our way to Istanbul, some part of the area before Istanbul. So I guess it's part of Turkey. And I'm just surprised to see how green it is. Just looking at that out of my dining room window. So it's beautiful chair. I'm still enjoying this spot. What I really like about it is it's away from all the crowd, because the center has a lot of groups and a lot of commotion. So this is nice. Although there are some groups behind me. Spinach, tomato, something. Not too much.
Tell me how much.
That's fine. That's perfect. We are approaching Istanbul. By this is a major bridge here. Portobello mushroom. Thank you. It's good. This is crumbled apple a la mode. Here's our onion, butter, and eggplant dip tonight. That guy's awfully close. Isn't there a certain amount of distance you're supposed to keep? A chef's special, some type of a Turkish appetizer. And mine is just a salad with some cranberries and okay, what is it?
Over lemon vinaigrette.
Okay, thank you so
One more
much.
round?
No, that's good. That's fine. Thank you. This was a chicken kebab. It was a Turkish dish. What I just showed you was a lamb kebab. I have my ham and split pea soup. This is my evening meals today. It's a chocolate custard. There's no sugar butter pecan ice cream. This is our saying on our menu today. It's an interesting thing to put on a cruise. Entrees. soup. This is kale salad. Thank you. Thanks for doing that. Lobster. Baked Alaska. Cruise ship right next to us today at my dining room. Vasco da Gama, Time to Discover. I think it's a Nico Cruises. I never heard of that. Today's special is, they have like different entrees or different appetizers, but today we have Grand Marnier souffle. This looks like a good menu today.
Just my chef, only for the soup. This is the lobster bisque.
Oh, okay. This here, the Moroccan spiced ahi tuna steak. It has pistachio couscous and spinach, raisins, and harissa vinaigrette. That sounds really interesting to me. I think I'm gonna go with that. Oh, nice. Lamb. This is the Grand Marnier souffle, special tonight. There is my lava cake with ice cream and a banana.
Mashed potato. What kind of sauce?
It's just,
Yeah, I'll go for that. You all? Yeah.
are actually out the window today. It's things of lobster. What do they call it? Escargot. It's in an escargot little container. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Pete has coco kanitsu. It's like a traditional beef Greek dish. I have my usual salmon. This is our menu today. And then here we have like a lemon meringue tart, like this. Yeah. Menu today.
Oh, yeah.
It's our last night here. I hope this gave you a helpful look into dining on Celebrity Silhouette. Every ship is different, but when the food, service, and setting come together, it can be a real highlight of your cruise, and it surely was for me. So if you've enjoyed this, check out my playlist for more Celebrity Silhouette content and cruise tips. Subscribe as well, and you will find lots of different information about all kinds of cruises. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cruising, and until next time.